Hello everyone, welcome to Wisemonkeys UGC NET Paper I Teaching Aptitude series. In this video, I am going to cover different types of non-projected visual aids. And in non-projected visual aids, there are different types of aids like graphic aids, display boards, 3D, audio aids, activity aids. And in this video, I am going to cover graphic aids, which are of following types like charts, flashcards, posters, pictures, graphs, maps, and diagrams. I am going to discuss about various types of teaching aids which are non-projected aids. So non-projected aids are divided into different types like graphic aids, display board, 3D, audio aids, and activity aids. In this video, I am going to cover about graphic aids, and I will bring more videos onto display boards, 3D, audio aids, and activity aids. So I request you all to subscribe our channel and don't miss any of these videos. So let us move towards the different types of graphic aids. So first is charts. As we all know that charts help communicate difficult and dull subject matter in an interesting and effective way. They make facts and figures clear and interesting, show or compare changes, and show the size and placement of parts. They are also helpful in summarizing information and presenting abstract ideas in the visual form. Let us now move towards the different types of charts. So the different types of charts are like bar chart, and we all know that bar chart is made up of a series of bars along a measured scale, and they are used to compare quantities at different times or under different circumstances. Whereas pie charts are in the shape of circles and used to show proportions and percentages. And tabular charts are used to bring together mass related data in compact form. For example, timetable. Tree charts are used for showing development or growth of a program or project. The origin is shown in a single line or as a tree trunk, and various developments are shown as branches. Flowcharts, which show organizational structure of departments, institutions, and resources with lines and arrows. And pictorial chart, which gives the viewer a vivid picture and creates a rapid association with the use of graphic messages such as cartoons and illustrations. This type of chart is more useful for illiterate audience. Now let us move towards the other different types of charts like overlay chart, pull chart, strip tease chart, and flip chart. So overlay chart, it consists of a number of sheets that can be placed one over the other conveniently. One on each individual sheet, a part of whole concept is drawn. This enables the viewer to see not only the different parts but also how they appear one in placed over the other. After the final overlay is placed, it shows full view of the whole picture. This type of chart presentation is dramatic and effective. Pull chart, which consists of written messages on a large sheet. Messages are hidden by strips of thick paper held in position by the slits provided on either side. The messages can be shown to the viewer one after another by pulling out the concealing strips. Whereas strip tease chart, they are similar to pull chart. However, messages are concealed by strips of thin paper instead of thick paper, and the ends of thin paper strips are pinned or pasted at both ends of the message. Whenever the message is to be exposed, one end of paper strip is stripped off. This has the advantage of surprise and anticipation. And flip chart is a series of visuals drawn onto large sheets of paper or cardboard which are fastened together at the top. These are turned over or flipped one at a time. This kind of chart exposes the audience to segments of the subject in sequence and holds their attention remarkably well. Now let's move towards flashcards. So flashcards are brief visual messages on poster board. The cards are flashed That is, they turned over at short intervals before the audience to emphasize the important points in a presentation. Flashcards are held like a pack of cards and are flashed to the audience one at a time in a sequence along with the talk. And posters, they are displayed in public area with the purpose of creating awareness among the people, and also a poster is generally seen from a distance and the person glancing at it seldom has the time or inclination to stop and read. Pictures and photographs, we know that picture is representation made by drawing, painting or photography which gives an accurate idea of an object. A good picture may tell a story without using a single word. Pictures may be in black and white or in color. Nowadays, digital cameras are very popular. And graph, what about graph? Graph is an image that represents data symbolically. A graph is used to present complex information and numerical data in a simple compact format. Bar graphs, line graphs, scatter graphs, and pictographs are the some type of graphs. Now let us move towards the two more non-projected graphic aids like maps and diagrams. Map is basically a visual representation of an area, a symbolic depiction highlighting relationships between elements of that space such as objects, regions and themes. Map is a visual representation of an area, a symbolic depiction highlighting relationships between elements of that space such as objects, regions and themes. Cartography or map making is the study and practice of crafting representation of the earth upon a flat surface. Now to moving towards the last, that is diagram, which is a plan, sketch drawing or outline designed to demonstrate or explain how something works or to clarify the relationship between the parts of whole is called a diagram. So all these were the different types of graphic aids which were used in a non-projected way. In the next video, I will bring another non-projected aid, that is display boards. What will be the different types of display boards? And subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any video and you will get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead.